What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we're in here in the garage with another vehicle, except this one's a little different. When I'm done this car, I'm not getting paid for it. The reason is it's the wife's car. A few years ago, we bought it, and when we got it, there were some dents in it. So she's been bugging me ever since to take the dents out of this car. Once I started doing the videos, she said, why don't you do a video on my car and take the dents out of it? So we're finally getting it done. We're out here in the garage. It was either do this or stay inside and do some dishes. So I figure why not stay out here in the garage, do this video, and get it done for her. So here's the car here. It's a 2018 Audi A5 Sportback, and she's been wanting this car for a while. So she really likes this car. But like I said, when we bought it, there were a few dents in it. So you could see on the rail here, there's a couple dents there. They're shallow, so we're gonna glue pull them. That shouldn't be too bad. And then even on the other side here, on this back door, down low, there's one right in the center. Pretty sharp little dent. It shouldn't be too bad. I don't know if we're gonna access that through the electrical outlet in the back side of the door, or maybe even up underneath. There might be a hole there that we can get in there. But first, we're gonna start on this rail. We got the glue all set up here. It's heating up, so we'll get going on the rail. And again, this one shouldn't be too bad to do. Looking forward to get it done and make the wifey happy. Let's get going. right, we are all finished up. Wasn't that bad. Everything came out really nice. It only took about a half an hour, well, I guess about 3 years and a half an hour, but we finally got the dents done. Hopefully the wife should be happy. A happy wife is a happy life, isn't that the saying? So once again, thanks for joining me with another video. If you can, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.